Lieutenant Moses Mushabe ori chairman w'inarema wa district Isingiro nagira ngo kwetorchi kubire kugenera kuhereza amateka garabe nagakuraturwa umukurunda karuru biza tungerekeka ngo nyuma y'abanyishengero mukaga kwija homwe abandi bakabara batamuhire nshonga
bagira ngo baza kwisha umurikiko. The sitting MPs apart from Kereya Mugumya was appeared no we no shuti aine mukemtwe but nyowe narebera kimwe ngo ba disrespecting office yitu kandi ekitakwikirizo
babe simbiro obusya borecero kwetombwita ahabwe bitwire nibukorwa mbururu bw'enyuma ebibaru kugira ngo bishemerire ku Rwanda subwa.
Talk about the former registrar, district registrar. That's why she's not here, because she tolerated grave mistakes to happen. We appeal to you. We appeal to this great office of the Isingiro district NRM fraternity.
Registrar nabaya tuza ihanganye ahabuko tingwetegereza umutwara ya zo muresi umushira gasingaje iyo karangiro nisho urihanga
okurugera habe simbere hobusya okutoma nkoro kurondera hamwe karuru kutwireho kandi muri Isingiro twakatandikire ecyo bari kugira ngo cina kuronderwa umubazo bucerekare
yebishane bindi kubamba bija babitagura babamba we bindi konka no mawo ino mutima na hope uri kumotiniza kusinga karuru obwiro bwinshi to kutabaza nyo namwe ntinkatabarize ine nabo bakwasire ngaramana batagure bishane byanje nkabataweshagama nkabashabira abo kuba karuru nkine
so nyaona ni teka no bara batakozere okurangira sub county nangwa tubusamarizinge mukache kureba ngo statistics zazaho twatwikire a district just bakora batandikira umusamarejo then babase kurangira.
Urukiko rurikirwa muna RDC wa district Isingiro Adanasima
kubaratagure bishane byawe ijo tuhereze message information kandi turekere na evidence abo ko twahurira harimo nabo ubundi bari kubeherera batahi babo.
Umugandi office ya RDC wa district ya Rukungiri bakwatanise na bari kuteza karuru ka NRM bawugino habe simbira handi bizara zumwe na zumwe okureba ko baratebekana sakaruru ko businje.
We are getting cases where some voters are intimidating others, and some of us who are standing are encouraging it. It's not good. I'm getting reports where in bars some goons are intimidating people.
A candidate to the party now, it is again from that background, it is against the law, and it can be grounds for someone to sue you to courts of laws that while you are campaigning, you bribed the voters.
RDC nsugarabwira barukutagure bishano by'abesimbere ngo bahende biragiro
bakande siba abantu abesimbiyeho bifaranye bakiteka musente. Okay, gwe ina buyinza ubweri noyezo kifanye cyane cyakandi cyane abayisimbiyeho bo bato mwagala gukite ko buyisi
kwa joint campaigns kandi nyowe nikikirize cyo ndabona cyebsurunje munonga tena twaba turunka bakandidate tukagambira abatezi bakago ekituli ekitubasikwera umuyango mu kandi bituri kwenda kubakolera
twasharamu okukora joint campaigns kandi nyowe tume joint campaigns na nyina supportinga ahabo kuba erizoba rija kwereka abanyarukungiri ko kundi nyowe personally
tuzakora hamwe tuzakorana program yo gukora hamwe gatabo campaigns ikindi cya kabiri twiteza muri cyo gutera akazi ko kusinzi security kureka aba hagize bitu ko bareta mukavuyo
Gashakwa Ruth n'wamanya hamwe na Dan basibye.